Yesterday, I received this giant package from Arteza, and I'm super excited to open it and show you what's inside. Oh my gosh, I received their 24-day holiday advent calendar, and this is my first year ever receiving this calendar, and I am like beyond excited to open it up and show you what's inside. First of all, this is a beautiful box. It really is. And on the back, we have what you're going to be receiving in the box. We have a little blurb from Arteza as well as their information. So another great thing that Arteza is doing this year is that you can win a year of art supplies. So it says here, look in the first day of the calendar for one of 6 golden tickets to win a year of art supplies or a silver ticket for a valuable offer from Arteza. So you can win one if you decide that you wanted to purchase one of their advent calendars this year. Oh my God, I can't wait. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful box. Let's look at the back. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Look at all the details on this box. It is absolute perfection. I'm going to take the ribbon and let's open it up and see what we're working with in here. Can you tell how excited I am? All right, so we're going to take it one by one and we're going to open every one and we'll see what fun surprises live inside of our 24-day Arteza calendar. All right, we're gonna start with day 1. Let's see how easy it is to open. I always have a really hard time opening these. I'm gonna try to make this not look so awkward. All right, so I pushed in that tab and here is number 1. All right, for our first day, we have, I'm not 100, oh yes. I love the Arteza wood slices. I'm gonna put up here some videos that I have working with the wood slices, but for day 1, we get 2 wood slices and we also have a piece of cord. And what's this? Let's see. I forgot about this, huh? So I have a silver ticket in this one. And here we go. So I got a silver ticket in this one. I didn't win the grand prize, but hopefully one of you has. And let's look for number 2. Where is day 2? Day 2, here we go. Here is day 2. Day 2 is a nice long one. All right, day 2, what have we got here? Day 2, oh, nice. And this is packaged so nicely. Day 2, we have a round brush. It doesn't have the size on it, but it's a really good round brush. And of course, I'll be using it for watercolor or gouache, but it has a really nice point and says Arteza on it. So that is day 2. What do we have for day 3? Day 3 is up here. And for day 3, let's see what day 3 has going on. Yes. All right. Day 3, we have some acrylic paint. And this color is pine green. Now, if you haven't tried Arteza's acrylic paint, they are really good acrylic paints. Oh, I didn't even notice. Look, everything has a little something on it. So this one says, Day 1 wood slices. Ornament, gift tag, these wood slices can be anything you want. Add some color with paint or etch them with wood burning kit. Here we have day 4. Whoops, that is not day 4. Here is day 4. I told you I wasn't the best at this. Okay, day 4. Day 4, we have an acrylic marker called Gold Greeting. I haven't tried their acrylic markers before, so I'm actually really excited to try these because I really love acrylic markers. Pay no mind to day 16. We haven't looked in there yet. Day 5. Day 5, we have an acrylic pad. Oh, awesome. So here is the acrylic pad for day 4. Oh, it's a very textured paper. I really like this. It's white, heavyweight, and it is ideal for acrylic and oil painting. Day 6 is a cute little one. Let's see. I have huge fingers, so let's see day 6. Day 6, we have... Now that I've mangled this box, oh, we have a watercolor half pan. All right, let's see what we have, what color we have. So day 6, we have a watercolor half pan in snowy silver. I really want to open this, so we're going to open the pan and see what this color looks like. I probably should have done my nails, huh? And here is the silver, snowy silver. To day 7, which thankfully is right next to it, so I don't have to go searching around for it. So day 7 is another long one. Let's see what day 7 looks like. Oh, another brush. Excellent. And here is the flat brush from Arteza. And this is a flat number 6. Day number 8, we'll find it right up here. And so remember in the beginning when I told you that I was quite horrible at opening these boxes? Yeah. Day number 8, we have another acrylic paint in holiday gold. I love, love, love metallic paints. And this looks like it's definitely one of them. All right, where is day 9? Here we go. Day 9. Day 9, we have another acrylic marker, and this one is called Red Ribbon. Day 9, Red Ribbon. Love that one. All right, now that I've mangled half the box, let's go to day 10. Day 10, another skinny one here. Day 10. Ooh, day 10 is a glitter pen. I love, 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 love glitter pens. And this one is in silver. It's a fine nib glitter pen. Let's open it and see. It's a nice fine nib. And it is sparkly silver. Oh gosh, I love that. Day 11. Day 11 is a tiny one. Maybe it's another watercolor pan. Which, yep. It absolutely is. And this one is in winter gold. Excellent. Oh, I love the shimmers. All right. Let's open up this pan in winter gold. Oh, that's beautiful. Winter gold. And day 12 is right here. Another nice long one. Ooh, we have an angle brush. And you can see the nice angle at the top, which is why it's called an angle brush. So we have an angle brush for day 12. Approach your next painting from a new angle. I love the little writing that they have on the inside. That's really cool. All right, day 13 is right over here. And for day 13, we have another acrylic paint, and this one is in Christmas red. Oh, that's nice and bright and vibrant. Beautiful. And day 14 is right here. Let's check out what's here under day 14. We have another acrylic marker in a mistletoe green. Have you ever tried doodling on wood or even glass? I actually have never used acrylic markers on the wood slices, so I think that this would be a perfect project to do on the wood slices using acrylic markers and the watercolors. I think that would be a perfect project. So maybe we'll do that for next week. Day 15. Day 15, we have perfect some white acrylic paint. You can't ever have too much white acrylic paint. This one is in Snowman White. This is the #1 paint that I always run out of. I use acrylic paint not for paintings but for lots of craft projects, and I literally always run out of white. So this is perfect. Snowman White. All right, now 16, the one that we opened before by mistake. And 16 is another acrylic marker, and this one is in Winter Gray. You hear that? I love that. Winter Gray. Day 17, right over here. For day 17, yes, another glitter pen, and this one is in gold. And it's another fine tip pen. So, here we go. And this one is in gold. Day 18 is right here in the little house. And day 18 is another watercolor. And we have Festive Blue. All right, Festive Blue. Let's take a look. Festive Blue. Maybe I should show the front and not the back, right? All right, we have Festive Blue. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is such a beautiful color. It's like a robin egg blue. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's shimmery. Day 19 is right over here. And for day 19, we have, oh, something new. We have some pouring paint. Some acrylic pouring paint. Now, it's in Winter Wonderland White, and let's see what it says. It says, go with the flow. Imagine stunning white cells in your next acrylic pour. Now, I've actually never done acrylic pours, so maybe this is a really good way for me to dive into that. I've never done it, so I'm actually super excited to have received this because now I can try my hands at it. Day 20. Day 20. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Are we going to get a whole set of pouring paints? This is amazing. Twilight Blue pouring paint. 2 pouring acrylics in a party. Layer your paints in a cup and pour it onto a surface. All right. I hope they have a tutorial on their website because I'm totally going to try this. This is, oh, look, here's the instructions. Shake well, mix colors, pour, enjoy your design. Oh, I'm super excited. Day 21. Here we go, day 21. Canvases! We have a shaped canvas. This is a hexagon. And hey, look at that. We have literally everything we need to do the paint pours. So this is awesome. This is a hexagon canvas. All right, and day 22, it's right up here. Yes. All right, we have some more for pouring paint. And if I can get it out, this one is in Sleigh Bell Silver. Again, it has the directions on the side on how to pour paint, which I will be using and we'll be experimenting. We'll make a video experimenting with paint pouring if anybody wants to take this journey with me. If you have any tips on paint pouring, leave them down below because, as I said, I have never ever done it, but I would love to try. Sleigh Bell Silver. Day 23. Day 23, and we have another canvas. This one is shaped like a triangle, and this is super nice and snug in here. So let's try to maneuver this out of here. And this one is unique canvas for unique painting. This one is a triangle canvas. Beautiful. And it's right here, right next to it. Ooh, what is this? Day 24 is a glitter jar. This doesn't have to be the end. Shop the collection. Oh, look how pretty that is. Look at that glitter. Okay, I want to open it, but I'm scared. We all know how glitter works. Let's see. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. It is different size glitter. We have some fine, we have some chunky glitter. They're all different sizes. Oh, this is so pretty. There's stars and circles and hexagons in there. Beautiful, beautiful. And that was our very last one. So, all right, so let's take a look at everything that we received in our 24-day advent calendar. Oh, this box is so pretty. This box is beautiful, beautiful. I love it. And you'll see, okay, before we take a look, I wanted to show you really quick that every box is lined in foam, in styrofoam, so that it doesn't move around and everything stays nice and secure inside. And let us take a look. And again, look at this box. This box is absolutely gorgeous. Now let's take a look at everything we received. So we received 2 canvases, 1 hexagon, 1 triangle. We received 3 brushes, a round brush, a flat brush, and an angle brush. We also received 2 glitter pens, 1 in silver and 1 in gold. We received 3 acrylic paints, Snowman White, and Holiday Gold and Christmas Red. We also received 3 acrylic pouring paints, Twilight Blue, Winter Wonderland White, and Sleigh Bell Silver. We received 2 wood slices, and these are my absolute favorite wood slices to buy. Absolute favorite. Look how thick and chunky they are. 2 wood slices. We received 4 paint pens, 4 acrylic paint pens, Gold Greetings, Winter Gray, Mistletoe Green, and Red Ribbon. We received 3 pans of watercolor, silver, gold, and this beautiful teal. We received a little jar of glitter. And again, let's take another look at it because it's so pretty. So we received a little jar of glitter. So the first time I took this off, I took it off with it. But a beautiful little jar of glitter. My little sprout is going to love this one. And finally, we received an acrylic pad. And it's nice textured paper. You can see the texture right on it. It's white, heavyweight, acid-free, and it's glue bound. So the edge is glued here, and you can just peel them right off. So this is everything that we received in our Arteza 2022 Advent calendar. This is the 24-day calendar. There are, if you wanted to grab one for yourself, there are 2 different 24-day calendars, and there's also a 12-day Advent calendar. In each one, you get a chance to win a year of Arteza art supplies. Unfortunately, I did not win, but I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that one of you wins that golden ticket. These are available starting today, October 3rd. Head on over to the Arteza website. I'll have all of the information in the box below. Head on over and grab your Advent calendar because literally every single year these sell out so quickly. So I'm super excited to have been gifted this. Thank you so much, Arteza, for gifting this, and you get all of the information down in the box below. Thank you again and have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'll see you next week. We're going to be using some of these supplies to make some art.